here into the video tutorial we'll talk about something that is special. You must need to select it because there is so many work using this midpoint. Okay, you must need to know because in many cases midpoint need to enable. Why exactly? I'm explaining to you to make the thing clear. Okay, for example, I'm gonna make a rectangle. Okay, control shortcut rectangle is control T. Okay, control T. Yes, fantastic. Now I wanna connect a line exactly to the middle point. If you do not enable, for example, I'm gonna enable. So I won't enable it to teach you the thing perfectly. What is the problem you will face it if you do not enable it? For example, I'm gonna connect control Q. No, control Q line. Okay. See, since it is enabled these two but not this, and therefore these two characteristic showing perfectly. See, this one showing that my cursor touching the line corner, but not exactly middle point, but I need to make a line exactly throughout the middle of the side of the rectangle. How? Let's do it. For example, it's no middle point indication at all. See, no, this not match. Still I'm doing. See, there is so much gap. This small, this more. Therefore, it is not middle point at all. But if you enable snap midpoint, see, amazing thing. Control Q. Yeah, see? It just connect. It give an indication midpoint. Okay? It is fantastic characteristic. You must need to enable before start working into Tally Paint. Okay? See another midpoint. See another midpoint. Automatically it just pull the cursor. Midpoint. Yes, amazing. Again midpoint. Midpoint. Yeah. See? Fantastic. There's so many things you must need to do using this midpoint. You'll encounter that kind of situation whenever you're gonna work with Jandy Paint. Okay. See you. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.